Hey, if we haven't met, I am Kelsey.
And I'm Becky, and we've been creating DIY and design content on the internet for over 13 years. And along the way, we've been joined by some new friends.
Over time, we've shown you how to make a space look aesthetic, but we have not talked enough about how design can actually affect a positive well-being.
That's right, there's actually so much more to design than meets the eye, and we are excited to share with you some of the things we've learned.
I'm actually gonna head out of town and meet up with a few ladies that are hard to track down, but do know a thing or two about turning a house into a home.
And I'm gonna share with you some of our favorite tips that you can use to make your space work better for your well-being.
Let's get to it.
All right, I've got the car loaded up. I'm gonna go meet Becky at the location.
Hello. Good morning.
Oh yeah. Wow. You really said we're doing this.
I promise I don't live in here.
Oh, plant
So those little
babies.
plant
Okay,
babies.
take extra care.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna write 2 words that remind me what it is. And then I'll write the question. But hopefully I won't need these at all. We have our cue cards, which I wish we didn't, but I need them.
I mean,
Safety cue cards.
yeah.
But
Just came up with the questions last night.
yeah, literally, things have been a moving target. But we got it. And we're excited. And we're just gonna go with the FLOTUS.
Oh my god. We're here. Oh hi. Oh my god, I think they're here. Okay, so Kelsey's in the bathroom doing a little makeup touch-up. We are literally just about to go on in a few minutes. I'm having a little freak out in a closet here, but this is gonna be great. I cannot believe I get to have this experience, and it's all thanks to the Sorry Girls.
$5 minutes?
Hello. Sophie, Kelsey, nice to meet you.
Rochelle.
I'm Rochelle.
Hi, Jill. Nice to meet you, Kelsey.
Kelsey.
Hi, my name is Rochelle.
Please take a seat.
Okay.
So we're the Sorry Girls. We have a DIY and design YouTube channel where we focus on sustainability, empowering women to pick up a new power tool, build it themselves, make it themselves, and we're so excited to be sitting down with you both.
So what's the last thing you made?
Oh,
Oh goodness.
well, my mind right now is on my kitchen that I'm renovating, and yeah, we spent a couple of days just mindlessly like drilling into a wall. It's a little scary, like pulling out lath and plaster.
I don't have that talent, do you?
I mean, a little bit, but not as hardcore as you girls. But I think it's important to be handy and to be able to manipulate tools. And I'm an only child, and my dad would really expose me to that kind of stuff in his little établi, like atelier, as I call it, when I was, younger. So yeah, it made me kind of not scared of it, not intimidated.
Yes. And it's just like baby steps.
Exactly.
You don't start with the hard thing. You don't start with
Love that.
pulling your walls apart. You start with, craft a little DIY.
That goes for everything.
Yes,
I love
exactly.
that. That's so true, because you get intimidated when you look at the big picture. It's too much.
Yeah,
Little
break it
bit
down.
out. Yep.
Break it down.
So today we are in a bedroom space. I'm joined with Rachel, and we're gonna share with you our favorite tips to make any space feel a little bit more like home. I'm excited. Should we get started?
Yeah.
All right.
So spaces are really important when it comes to being able to relax and recharge. So we're curious to hear from you both. How do you create a space that allows you and those around you to feel comfortable and creative and recharged?
I think my one piece of advice would be to try to create balance in life and just feel good about your day. So for me, that's exercise. So I try to exercise every morning. It just calms me down and gets me ready for my day.
So for us in this space, finding the calm might mean creating a space that is clear of clutter. Baskets are a great way to hide visual clutter in open shelving, such as these nightstands.
A great way to add comfort to your space is by adding soft textures and layering multiple textures. So this could be curtains or pillows, could be a rug. If you're in your kitchen, this could be hand towels or tea towels, whatever works for the space you're in.
All right, so let's do the shears first. I don't know if I've ever done a double layer. When's the last time I've ever done one?
I don't think I've ever done one of these.
I know
I've
they
always
look so
wanted
good.
them, yeah.
I just never do it.
I always wanted to do this. All right.
Okay, so let's do the other one.
I really love these curtains.
It's like, very beige, but also
A little bit of texture.
a little bit of warmth too in the color.
All right,
Shall we?
let's put it up.
Do we like it?
Wow, yeah.
Well, it's funny because I have 3 kids and an 8-year-old, 14 and 15. So as long as there's comfy spaces, place to cuddle, tumble on the ground because my kitchen is like kind of where we live. So I would say that, our surroundings a little bit have to reflect our values in a way.
Yeah.
And, you say, oh, well, it's just design, it's just the interior. Obviously, there are other priorities in life, but it's so important, I think, to create an environment that reflects a little bit of who you are.
Yeah.
So I think to feel free, to feel that we can be ourselves, that nothing is too stiff or too structured so that we can't change anything. Always room for change as well, and space. So yeah, that would be my my go-to.
Plants are not only great for keeping your air clean, but they might be more important than we even realize.
There was a study done in the 80s which tested 2 different groups of hospital patients, and those with a view of nature outside of their window actually recovered on average faster, required less pain medication than those without a view of nature out of their window.
Even using natural and organic materials such as linen and wood reconnect us with the earth.
We love shopping, sustainability, thrifting, secondhand, whatever we can do. And we heard that the Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau, is using his father's desk from when he was Prime Minister. We're curious if there's anything in your own homes that's been thrifted, flea market find, secondhand, hand-me-down that you really love and cherish.
I have a lot of things from my grandmothers, things that mean so much to me. Their china, their handkerchiefs, their jewelry, things that they had in their homes, and my parents are deceased. So I have a lot of pieces of furniture. So I always feel the presence of my family.
And the stories that go along with that.
Yeah, and the memories, just when I use it. I have all my grandmother's china, but I use it every day.
I was gonna ask, do you actually use
I
it?
don't believe in not
Storing it away.
saving it.
I'm impressed.
Use it every day, whether you're having, you're making that egg sandwich in the morning, goes on Nana's china.
Really?
Does
it go in the dishwasher? Because I'm not doing it for the family if it doesn't go in the dishwasher.
Well, it's one dish.
I have furniture that belonged to Justin's great aunt or my parents. I also have furniture from my first apartment that I still have that I bought. Yeah, little pieces. Yeah. And I love flea markets.
Yes.
Love it.
Yeah. Always find special items there.
Oftentimes, things that reflect us the best are things that we have a personal story or connection to. So think souvenirs from a trip, or something that you've made, or an heirloom from a family member. Make a space feel like home by surrounding yourself with items that mean something to you or are important. Okay, so I think like that little one kind of in the space there in between.
Yeah, I like that.
I don't love it lower because
You don't love it lower?
I don't hate it lower because it's such a big wall and there's this tiny art.
Yeah,
like
it's
to
kinda
do it
cute.
kind of like,
Then it just all of a sudden it feels like you needed more.
yeah.
Meanwhile, now
So
it's a moment.
I could space them out more too.
Closer to clustered, so it feels intentional. And then I like that.
Is it still cute?
Let me double check. Oh yeah, I love it even more.
Oh, good.
I love the little pops of red.
It's cute.
Yeah, they look good.
Yeah.
Nice work.
Looks good. All right.
Moving on.
Yeah.
So when I try to create a space for my family, I think of all the different five senses. So
Okay.
like one of the things that I do is that I place a scented candle by the front door. So when people walk in, they immediately have like a positive, reaction. So I think if you put all the senses together and you try to adjust that, people come into your space and then they immediately sort of relax.
Different scents can actually make us feel different emotions, so consider how you want your space to make you feel. For example, try diffusing or choosing a candle mixed with lavender essential oil to promote relaxation, or lemon for a boost of energy.
Did you notice how many candles I put on yesterday? I'm a candle freak as well.
yes.
But for me, it's about lighting. It's about atmosphere.
Yes.
And every morning, I'm a morning person. I get up early and I light my candle. I do the same thing and I put music on, and that sets my tone for the day. It sets my mind space, and I make it, I would say, almost like a dedication.
Yes.
And a gratitude
Intention.
for another day here on earth.
Yes.
Yeah.
Having good lighting is key to creating a relaxing space. We love to use accent lighting like this. And if you do need overhead lighting, consider using a fabric shade. That way you can diffuse any harsh light bulbs.
Okay, so let's try it before I really put it up.
I'll turn the breaker back
Yeah,
on.
do you know? Yeah, you know which one it is?
I think so.
Okay.
So, give it a little flip.
Oh, yay!
Success.
Yeah, oh, that's so good. Okay, now, just to get it up.
Yes. I will hold.
It's a little sweaty.
Just a little.
Just a little.
It's a little warmer up there.
Okay,
Amazing.
good.
You killed it.
Love it. Oh, yeah.
Gorgeous.
Yes. Gorgeous, gorgeous ceiling lights. Oh. Sorry. Sweet. Oh, yeah, yeah. It's so much better.
Yeah.
You both live in such incredible historic homes, so we're kind of curious to know how you made those spaces fit for your family's needs and feel like home while staying true to the histories of the buildings.
I included a lot of plants and art
Okay.
into the White House. I mean, there's a lot of art there, but I put more modern art. So I feel like that makes it home. And I added our dog and our cat. And so
That's-
I think that instantly,
Yeah,
makes
home.
it home.
Home is where the
Yeah,
cat and the dog
yeah.
are.
Is this where I talk about our rabbits?
Please do. Go ahead.
Yeah, she's rabbits.
It's just that my kids love animals. So yes, I really agree that animals can really warm up a home. And it's not just about the animal, obviously, it's about the connection that you have to them and how it brings the whole family together. I think that's really important as well. And the container, as you say, is historical.
Right.
But the content is human. It is us, and it's a family. So sometimes when people say, but it's so unique. Yes, of course, but we're just a family. And we're just trying to live our lives like,
Like every other.
yeah, exactly. So we have our struggles and we have our battles. And I always remember that when tough times do come, that we keep a sense of safety in the house.
Yes.
From all fronts. Exactly. And that our kids, whatever room we find ourselves in, feel that, there's actual space to discuss real
Yeah.
things and
Safe spaces.
and
Have you thought about how the color palette in your space has an effect on you? Whether it is that safe and comforting vibe you're going for, or maybe a more energetic mood you want, consider how color can help you get there. For us in this space, we're opting for soft beiges and deep greens for a grounding and relaxing experience. Maybe for you, you want to surround yourself with a brighter and more bold color palette to create a different mood.
I'm so curious about what a dream home would be. Where is it? Is it farm? Is it in the mountains? What does it look like? What's the view out the window?
Mine's at the beach.
The beach?
I love the ocean. So yeah, I definitely would say the beach.
That's a tough one. I would say I'm a surfer, so
Oh, okay.
surf shack.
Okay.
Barefoot all the time, or mountains and river. And we have.
That's two.
I won't have two, but I'm saying I would be divided between the two options. Definitely nature, definitely space, definitely vastness, less neighbors, like close, but not too far because I love
Community,
you're having people over. I really love having a house that's open door policy, people dropping in. And sometimes you do have to say, okay, we're going to bed, bye. But I really love that. And it's a good question because I think a dream home is not just about, again, the container and the structure, but what it means and how you live.
Yeah, what it feels like. Yeah. Fireplace.
Yes.
Oh my God, yes.
Must have.
At the beach?
Yes.
That's
we
complete.
have a fireplace.
That's amazing.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much. It was so nice to meet you.
Absolute pleasure.
Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you so much for watching today.
It's only because of the continued support of our viewers that we get opportunities like this one.
If you'd also like to show your support, consider subscribing to this channel. It honestly helps so much.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.